สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Today let's make Goong ผัดผงกะหรี่ or stir-fried prawns in curry powder. This is a very popular dish in Thai and it's delicious with all kinds of seafood. The creamy factors of this dish are evaporated milk and eggs, so it's creamy umami flavors with sweet juicy prawns. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Here are our ingredients. We have cooking oil, sliced celery leaves, big chili cut diagonally, fresh prawns, deveined and deshelled, minced garlic and diced white onion. And now for the second half of our ingredients, we will be mixing all of these together. So we have eggs, evaporated milk, sugar, nam prik pao, which is chili jam or chili paste, soy sauce, plain water, curry powder, oyster sauce, and fish sauce.
ไม่ใช่ทั้งไหนทั้งน้ำมันต้องใส่ทั้งน้ำทั้งนี้เนาะ
On high heat, put in your vegetable oil and sauté your garlic. Next, add in your prawns. Now that your onion has softened, we give our sauce a mix and add it in. After our sauce is in, this process goes by really quickly. So just stir until the eggs are cooked, then you can just turn off the heat. Mix this all well. You can see that the eggs are starting to cook and it will look something like this. Gently mix it all up. Turn off your heat and add in your celery leaves and big chili. Give this a taste test, adjust accordingly, and it's ready to be served. I also made a video on how to make stir-fry crab in curry powder, and if you're interested, you can tap on it on the screen right now. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye!